Hi and welcome to today's video in which I'm going to be taking you through an absolute rock and roll classic from 1958, I do believe. This is a song by Jerry Lee Lewis, The Killer. This is called Great Balls of Fire. You're going to love this. Go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, Great Balls of Fire. Let's get straight into it. So this is the bit we're going to learn first. So it's the bit that goes 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right, okay, so that's the intro. So let's get into that. Right, so we're going to go 3rd fret on the E string. Then we're going to open A. 2nd fret of the A string. And then we're going to be playing the C chord. So that's our little lead in. Do that one more time for you close to the camera. So we're going to be 3rd fret of the E string, open A, 2nd fret A string, and then C chord. Up to the camera so you can see the C chord. There you go. So it's boom, ba, bom, bom. Okay. And then we're going to do exactly the same thing, but this time we're going to transition from the C to the F. Now you can do this F or you can do the bigger F with the double fingers. So 3rd finger would then be on the 3rd fret of the A string and the little finger 3rd fret of the D string. Or you can just do your standard F. Completely up to you. I favour this one. Gives me a bigger sound, but it's completely up to you. So we've already done this bit. And now we're going to move up to 3rd fret of the A string, open D string, 2nd fret of the D string, and then we're going to land the F. Okay? So let's have a little recap. Okay, so that's how far we've got so far. Next, we're going to just have a single note, which is the 2nd fret of the D string. And then we're going to get this F shape and we're going to slide it up 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. So that's giving us F, F sharp, G. Okay, so we've got, so up to this point. Okay, so we got, then single note. Now when we're playing these chords, F, F sharp, G, 5 strings please. Don't play that E string at the top. It will sound awful. Okay, so we got, and then back down, and then the first position the first thing we learned, that finishes that off. So let's go through that again slowly. So we've got this bit. Okay, and then we're going down to the F. And then we've got this single note, which is the 2nd fret of the D string. Then the F, F sharp, G. 2 strokes on the G. F sharp, F. So that's, and then back to position 1. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. Okay. Four, 1, 2, 3. Right now. Next bit is optional, depending on your skill level. I don't want to leave any beginners out here. What you can do, if you're an absolute beginner, and yes, you know the C, F, and G chords, fine. You can just go, let me turn this guitar down a little bit. Okay. You can just go, when it comes to the main part, you can go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Then you go F, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, ooh, C, Yeah. C2, 3, 4, C2, 3, 4, F2, 3, 4, G2, 3, 4, F2, 3, 4, ba ba da ba da da ba ba. I've got to be careful because every time I sing along with this one, I get a copyright on me, so I have to re-record it. So I'm trying not to sing along, so I hope you understand. So that is if you was just strumming along. So you can see the chords I was doing there. We've got the... we go through the F to the F sharp G, then back to C. Right, if you're a bit more advanced, we can do what's known as a blues shuffle, which is actually more like the original, the recorded version. What you got to understand is on the record, Jerry Lee's obviously played a piano because he's a pianist, and he's got that boogie woogie thing going. You can't really do that and strum at the same time. You can't do that because we've only got one pair of hands here. Piano's played different. So what we'll do a blues shuffle, which would be up on the 8th fret. We're going to do like a bar chord of the C chord. And we're going to be going, for the main part of the song, we're going to be going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 down to F, 3, 4. G, F2, 3, 4, C2, 3, 4, C2, 3, 4. Okay, so we've got that. So the way we're doing that is we've got our C chord. Now we're lifting our little finger off, which in doing so gives us what's known as a C7. So whenever you're playing a major shape like this as a bar chord, when you take the little finger away, it gives you a 7 sound. Really, really lovely when it comes, really useful for rock and roll. Sounds great. So what we're going to be doing with that, we're going to be going between the third finger, where your third finger's placed, and up there, 3 frets up, 1, 2, 3. So like that, yeah. So it's like almost like we miss a fret and we play the fret up. So 8, 9, 10. So we're going to be going between the 10th fret. When we're in the C position, we're going to go between the 10th fret and the 12th fret. Predominantly the top bassy notes, if you play all the strings, it still sounds great, but predominantly the meaty bassy notes. Down, 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 down. And a bit of palm on the strings, a slight bit of muting gives it a nice gritty sound. So we've got that G, that C going on. And then down to the F. Bit tougher down on the F because you've got wider fret spacings, but same principle. We're going between the third finger and miss a fret and then the fret up. So we're going to go between 3 and 5. It's easier when you're doing the F to take your second finger off. Gives you more of a spread, and you can then reach easier between the 3rd and the 5th fret. I would say though, in that case, just to focus on the top 3 strings. Then up to the G, which is 3rd fret. Down to the F. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Yeah. Then we got the Kiss Me Baby bit. Kiss Me Baby, F. Then back to C. Then we got Hold Me Babe. That I Want to Love You Like a Lover Should bit is F sharp G. You're fine. Ba ba. And then back to the F to the C again, up on the 8th fret. Then F, G, F, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So there we have it, Great Balls of Fire by the great man Jerry Lee Lewis. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below. Always great to hear from you. A big thanks to those that have already liked and subscribed. If you've liked today's video, you know what to do. Always grateful. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. I'll meet you again in another video. Take great care of yourselves. See you again. Bye-bye.